Okay, we have a fryer, CNC Vertical Machining Center, model MC60, serial number 60681. Machine was new in 2012, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 50 taper spindle, 6,000 RPM, 24 ATC. Right now we're running at 1500. Machine has 60 inches of X-axis travel, 30 inches in the Y and 30 in the Z. 3,000 RPM. There you go. 4,000 RPM. Okay. Great. For simulated tool change, again, that's a 50 taper, side mount, 24 ATC. Okay, you have a T-slotted table as well, 67 by 24. Right now he's running the Z down. The Z again is 30 inches. It's boxway construction. Again, here he's running the X. And the Y. Okay, machine also has a chip conveyor. Again, the control is a Fryer Siemens Touch 2100's 840D. That's a mouthful, control. Hey, thank you for watching our video.